let's switch our focus to the breaking news coming in at the moment from Supreme Court, which has said that the Allahabad High Court will continue to monitor all aspects of the Hathras case, including the CBI investigations in the alleged gang rape and subsequent death of a Dalit girl in Hathras. Supreme Court also said that so far as the transfer of the case is concerned, remember this is the transfer the family had asked for to be transferred to Delhi. Supreme Court said it is appropriate for the investigating agency to first complete its investigation. We will look into the transfer of the case a little later. Sunil Prabhu now joins us for more. Sunil, take us through what else happened in court today.
Well, so the Chief Justice has actually, as you rightly pointed out, the Supreme Court has left it to the Allahabad High Court to monitor the CBI investigation. It's left that open-ended about transferring it to Delhi, depending on the investigation, and the High Court will take cognizance of it. Of course, in the order, there has been certain, the identity of the rape victim has been put and the family, and so that has been requested to be erased. But the Supreme Court right now handing over that baton after very horrific visuals, and which has really hurt an entire nation's conscience, especially for those Dalits who have been waiting to see justice. The Supreme Court now leaving it to the High Court, the Allahabad High Court, to take a final decision and to continue to monitor this probe and take.
All right. So those were the details coming out from Sunil Prabhu. In fact, if I can go back to him, Sunil, the background of this case and how it actually reached the Supreme Court is very interesting. The Allahabad High Court had taken up this matter suo motu. The UP government was actually supposed to give out its reply, but instead of going to the Allahabad High Court, we don't understand why exactly went to the Supreme Court, and that's how the Supreme Court actually started looking into the case, and then there were some PILs filed in front of the top court as well. So at the moment, would it be safe to say that it goes back to Allahabad High Court actually overseeing this entire matter, and the transfer case, the transfer that the family had asked for to be transferred to the capital for the safety of the family, also for the proceedings to take place, that has been left open-ended?
That's open-ended depending on the investigation, so as to be able to see that justice is given for. It's in that context we'll have to wait and watch and see how things evolve. But definitely, Sonal, as you pointed out, the Supreme Court at this present juncture not wanting to get into it because it depends on the investigation and its flow. But definitely, it will look at the option of going to the Delhi, to transferring it to Delhi once that investigation and the charge sheet is prepared in this horrific case.